Hey, what's up? Sam here. This is NextFan Ultra. Basically, it's a portable air cooler that has raised almost $1 million on Indiegogo. The crowdfunding of this product is still going on and has a few days left. You can check it out if you are interested. I got this from KeyBuying, which I will link in the description. Today, in this video, I'd like to do an extreme test. In the NextFan Ultra crowdfunding page, they claim that the water tank capacity is 500 milliliter. It can work for 8 hours with one fill. So I'd like to do a full test to see it can really last that long. I will put the stopwatch here beside the NextFan. I'm using a 20,000 milliamp power bank to provide a power source, which I have already charged the power bank before. Should be really enough, as they said a 10,000 milliamp power bank supports a 12-hour service length. And I will use the E-Action camera to record the whole thing in time-lapse. This is actually the first time I'm using an air cooler to sleep with. Before, I was using an air conditioner with a fan if the weather was too hot. So I'm really curious to see how exactly the performance of this little air cooler is, like the noise level, the cooling effect. The official claims it can cool down an area up to 215 square feet. My room is quite small, it's like 100 square feet. So let's get started, shall we? Start from 0. Okay, great. Okay, let's start. Okay, the time lapse is on. Everything's great. Let's get started. As you can see, it's a straight 8 hours, and I can see there are still some water left, and it's still running. You know, the whole night I put it to the highest level, you know, so it can work for 8 hours with one fill. They are not lying. Overall, it's a great product, but there is only one downside. Only one downside for me so far, which is the noise. I know it's around 60 decibels, which I made yesterday. To be honest, it's a bit noisy. Of course, if I adjust it to the medium or low level, the noise will decrease significantly. For the good part is it provides a powerful instant cooling. You see my bed is here, and I didn't point it directly to my bed yesterday night, but I can still feel strong wind pass by my feet. You can also see there's no water being spilled everywhere like other products. That's really something. What else? Oh, and for the low power consumption, but the power bank seems has only 25% battery left. It's a 20,000 milliamp power bank. But for this, I will not complain because I'm not sure if it's the power bank problem or something. I will test more later for sure. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, Evo is an amazing product, perfect for outdoors or on the go, and it can be really good for your bedroom makeover since it has all these fancy lights. Yeah, detailed review will be on Gigabyte very soon, so stay subscribed. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye. Okay, let's stop. Woohoo! 8 hours 40 minutes. Woohoo!